So over here, you can see that I have a video project right here. And then right now you can see that this is in the editing mode, which is a particular layout. If you were to click on logging, then you can see that the entire layout of the editing area changes out, and you can see logs right here. So you can see properties and everything else more for logging purposes. You can go around to editing and you go back to the default layout, as you can see. If you want to focus out more on effects, then you can go to effects mode right here, and then it rearranges out everything so that you can focus on the effects part. You can go around onto color if you want to work around with color correction and so forth. And if you want to work around more with the audio, you can click on audio, and then that is what you see. Similarly, if you just want to view out the final product, you can go to the player mode right here, and here you can go for the source or project right here and play around the video to see how it actually looks. So that is how you can utilize the layout options, the different layout options on the top right hand corner right here to change out the workspace according to what you want to work with. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.